kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious frozen yoghurt. It's so good and you only need 3 ingredients. So I've got some light condensed milk, some fat-free yoghurt and some fresh strawberries. That's all you need. So what you need to do is first of all half your strawberries. So I've got 140 grams here, so I'm going to take roughly half of them, so I reckon that's about it, and I'm just going to put them into my blender just to give them a nice kind of puree. You can use a stick blender or you can even just like mash them up with a fork and push them through a sieve. So there we go. So that's created a lovely strawberry puree and I'm going to stir that into my condensed milk. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just mix this in so it goes a lovely pink colour. This smells amazing. Right, so I'll pop that to one side, and with the remainder of the strawberries, just need to chop them up in little pieces. So there's all my chopped strawberries ready to be stirred into the delicious frozen yoghurt. Okay, so the next thing to do is just add the fat-free yoghurt. So I'm just going to plonk it all in to my lovely strawberry liquid. And now just give it a nice sort of stir through, kind of just fold it through gently until you've got a lovely creamy mixture. Right, so that's all mixed. So now I'm just going to add the fresh strawberries. And now I just need to fold these through the mixture. There we go, simple as that. So the next thing to do is put it into my mould. I'm just going to use a loaf tin, but you could use a container as well. So I'm just going to pour that in. I'm going to take my spatula actually and make sure I've got every little bit. There we go. Oh, that's really, really lovely and creamy. Look at that. I think I could eat this now before it was even frozen. It's so tasty. There we go. Right, so that's ready to go into the freezer. This is a lovely recipe. You don't need to churn it. I'm going to freeze it overnight and then come back and have a taste. So I've actually made one yesterday, so I'm going to go and pop this one in. Right, so here's my lovely frozen yoghurt. I made this one yesterday and I got it out of the fridge about half an hour ago because it is really hard. So you just need to let it soften up before you scoop it out. So I'm going in. Strawberry on just to make it look pretty. All for me. Let's have a taste. Oh, that's really delicious. Well, I should just finish this off. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you make some lovely frozen yoghurt, share your pictures and use the hashtag #StayHomeGetCooking. Bye!